guys, and welcome to this very much requested Liv Tyler inspired makeup. So we're gonna keep it nice and natural. I'm just using a BB cream with my fingers because in all the pictures I looked at her face was very natural. You could see pinkness coming through. It just wasn't super crazy. She was just a natural beauty. Like, she just doesn't need makeup. She just has one of those faces that she just is gorgeous. I'm obsessed with Liv Tyler. Like, so obsessed, especially because I love her dad. I love Aerosmith. Aerosmith is one of my favorite bands ever, so I couldn't wait to do this look because it was super simple, easy to wear every day. So yeah, now I'm concealing a little. I took my thinnest concealer that I have because I don't really want to hide my imperfections, like darkness under the eyes. Like, she rocked it, so I kind of want to rock it too. So yeah, I'm not transforming myself into her. I literally am just mimicking a makeup look. I used the brown wig for effect. If I used my red hair, it kind of would have thrown the whole look off. So I felt like the wig did a really good job and I'm happy with the look. But no, this is not a transformation. After I'm done with my concealer, I'm going to set my face with the airspun powder. I am not going to go too ham with this. I am literally just going to set the product in place, but I want my natural skin to be coming through. Now I am filling in my brows because Liv Tyler has brown eyebrows. And let me just say, that girl has some of the best eyebrows I've ever seen. Like, she was doing the Instagram brows before. Well, not Instagram brows, but model brows. I mean, come on. Look at her. Sorry, I needed her to have a moment there. But yeah, she was doing it way before us. So now I am taking Koi by Kajal Beauty. I love this. It's a cream blush. It's going to give that really natural flush to the cheeks, which I wanted, and it also has a nice sheen to it, so my skin is kind of glowy. Not glowy to the point where I'm like dewy, but like natural glow, just kind of like Liv Tyler's. So yeah, like, what movie did you think was your favorite with her in it? Like, she just did so many good movies. But yeah, I am putting a little bit of the color on my lips, then taking my Sunrise shadow palette, and I'm going to use that nude shade right here. I point at it for a while, and I'm going to use this all over my lid. So I thought it would be really boring if I didn't do an eye look. So I studied her makeup, and it looked like she had just like a grungy type of color, but something a little more bright, so I went with this. I also ran it underneath my lower lash line. This is so easy. It takes no effort. That's why I love these 90s looks so much. So yeah, make sure you run that underneath your lower lash line as well, and continue to blend on your top lash line like so. I just really want to blend it out. You almost want it to make it look like the natural color of your eyelids. So now I'm taking this orange color. You're probably wondering, why the heck are you taking an orange color? It's just to brighten the lids a little bit. Honestly, I tapped most of the product off, and as you can tell, it looks a little more brightened up, and it doesn't look so just like I put a little bit of color on my lids. Like, I looked at a lot of her pictures and I just saw a little bit of brightness on her lids, so I wanted to do the same. But you can skip that step if you would like. But look at how much brighter my lids look. And now she has dreamy eyes that kind of droop a little downwards. I'm not saying she has droopy eyes, but she has dreamy eyes. So I took a little bit of liquid eyeliner and just put a tiny little wing to make my eyes look more dreamy like hers. Then I'm going to blend in a little bit more of that mauve shadow, well, nude shadow, and I'm taking just a tad bit of mascara and focusing it mostly on the outer corners and making it go downwards just like my eyeliner. But very little. She didn't really wear too much mascara. Now time for the lip. I am going to use Tawny by Jordana. I love this lip color. I'm just using this to overline my lips because she's got the perfect pout and it is natural. No lip injections needed. She got that from her dad. Obviously, like, she has like the same mouth as him. Like, her lips are perfect. I love her lips. Then I am taking this lip color right here. This is called Plum Pop by Clinique, and this is to get more of that staining effect. As you can see, you could leave it like this, but I did add a little bit of a creamy red lip just in the middle to kind of give that popsicle suck look. I don't know, but you just want to blend it out with your fingers, and then you want to take a blotting napkin of some sort so you can blot that out a little bit more because she rocked that stained lip. I love that lip. It's super natural, and yeah, I don't know, it's just everything. But guys, that is literally it. The easiest makeup tutorial ever. Gotta love Liv for that. She was effortless. She didn't need makeup. But yeah, that I just live for these effortless 90s looks. But if you guys have any more requests from the ladies of the 90s, just let me know and I will do my best to recreate them on time with you. Yeah, I do get flooded with requests every now and then, so I try to make them scheduled. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!